The Galaxybook 4 Pro from Samsung aims to shatter expectations with their brand new laptop that comes in both 14 and 16-inch models. Regardless of the size, it's shaping up to be one of the most incredible laptops we've seen in a long time. If you're planning on getting yourself one, there are a few accessories you need to have the full Galaxybook 4 Pro experience. And in our video today, we're going to talk about a few of these accessories that you must buy for your Galaxybook 4 Pro. So, without further ado, let's begin. The Rottay-LaptopStand is an ergonomic masterpiece designed to elevate your Samsung Galaxybook 4 Pro experience. Adjustable in height from 1.5 inches to 16 inches and tilt angles from 0 degrees to 180 degrees, it raises your screen to eye level, improving posture and reducing neck and back strain. Crafted from sturdy aluminum alloy, it securely holds laptops up to 22 pounds, while anti-skid rubber pads protect your device and desk. The telescopic design allows for easy folding and portability, making it ideal for work, travel, or Zoom meetings. The hollow panel facilitates improved air circulation, dissipating heat and preventing overheating. Compatible with laptops and tablets up to 16 inches, this versatile stand can also serve as a podium, tablet stand, or DJ laptop stand. Enhance your productivity, comfort, and ergonomics with the Rottay-LaptopStand, the perfect companion for your Samsung Galaxybook 4 Pro.
Did you know that 72% of visitors are more likely to make their purchases soon after watching a product video? This makes it necessary to have a product demonstration or promo video for showcasing your product's potential values and benefits. At Product Video Studio, we are equipped with camera gear, tools, and most importantly, expertise to make your video captivating and engaging. Just send your products and we'll handle the rest. Contact us today to create something amazing together.
The Kyron Q1H is an exceptional wireless keyboard that perfectly complements the Samsung Galaxybook 4 Pro for an unparalleled gaming and typing experience. Featuring the world's first Hall-effect Gateron 2.0 magnetic switches, it offers lightning-fast feedback, adjustable actuation points, and dynamic rapid triggering, taking your gaming skills to new heights. With its 2.4G connection mode, delivering an impressive 1000 Hz polling rate and Bluetooth connectivity for seamless multitasking. The Q1H ensures a responsive and lag-free performance. Its premium double gasket design, all aluminum body, and PBT keycaps provide a sturdy and satisfying typing experience, while the customizable components allow you to tailor the keyboard to your preferences. Elevate your productivity and gaming sessions with the Kyron Q1H, the ultimate wireless keyboard companion for your Galaxybook 4 Pro. The Razer Viper V3 Hyperspeed is a game-changer for the Samsung Galaxybook 4 Pro, offering an unparalleled wireless gaming experience. With its ultra-lightweight 82-gram design and centralized mass, this mouse ensures seamless and precise movements, crucial for competitive play. The flagship Focus Pro 30K optical sensor, coupled with intelligent functions and forward sensor placement, delivers exceptional accuracy across various surfaces, including glass. Remarkably, it boasts up to 280 hours of battery life on a single AA battery, allowing you to power through intense gaming sessions without interruption. The Hyperspeed wireless technology provides a flawless, low-latency connection, ensuring a smooth and stable performance even in noisy environments. The mechanical mouse switches Gen 2, rated for 60 million clicks and featuring gold-plated contact points, offer crisp execution and durability. With on-mouse DPI control, you can effortlessly toggle between 5 DPI stages or customize the function to suit your preferences. Elevate your gaming experience on the Galaxybook 4 Pro with the Razer Viper V3 Hyperspeed, the ultimate wireless mouse for precision and performance. The Beats-StudioBuds offer an immersive audio experience for the Samsung Galaxybook 4 Pro. With a custom acoustic platform, they deliver powerful, balanced sound and active noise cancellation and transparency modes. Featuring a comfortable fit with 3 ear tip sizes, they provide up to 8 hours of listening time, plus an additional 16 hours with the charging case. The Class 1 Bluetooth ensures extended range and fewer dropouts, while the built-in microphones enable high-quality calls and voice assistant interaction. Sweat and water resistant with an IPX4 rating, the Beats-StudioBuds are the perfect wireless audio companion for your Galaxybook 4 Pro. The wo-we-1080p webcam is a game changer for your Samsung Galaxybook 4 Pro, delivering an unparalleled video conferencing and streaming experience. Featuring Windows Hello Face Recognition technology, you can unlock your device in under a second, bidding farewell to frustrating password entries. With an advanced infrared camera and privacy shield, your security and privacy are doubly ensured, preventing unauthorized access. Boasting 1080p resolution and dual stereo mics, this webcam produces crystal clear visuals and pristine sound quality, suitable for professional purposes like streaming, recording, and conference calls. Setup is a breeze with plug-and-play functionality, eliminating the need for driver installations. The multi-user account support allows seamless switching between accounts, making it ideal for shared devices in homes or workplaces. The Anker Nano 2 is an exceptional charging solution that seamlessly complements the Samsung Galaxybook 4 Pro, providing unparalleled convenience and power efficiency. Boasting a compact design, roughly the size of an AirPods Pro case, this charger packs a punch with its 65 watts max output, capable of fast charging your phone, tablet, and USB-C notebook simultaneously. With Anker's innovative GAN2 technology, featuring a 100% increase in operating frequency, stacked design, and upgraded circuit board structure, the Nano 2 delivers maximum power without sacrificing portability. Bid farewell to multiple chargers and embrace the simplicity and versatility of the Anker Nano 2. The ultimate charging companion for your Galaxybook 4 Pro and other devices. The Samsung Portable SSD T7 is the ultimate storage solution for your Samsung Galaxybook 4 Pro. Utilizing USB 3.2 Gen 2 and PCIe NVMe technology, it delivers lightning-fast read/write speeds up to 1050/1000 megabytes per second. With a shock-resistant aluminum unibody and advanced thermal management, your data stays safe and secure. Compact and weighing just 2 ounces, the T7 is highly portable and available in capacities from 500 gigabytes to 2 terabytes. Setup is easy with embedded software for password protection and firmware updates. Effortlessly transfer large files, games, and documents, elevating your productivity and entertainment with the Samsung Portable SSD T7. So those were our picks for 7 Galaxybook 4 Pro accessories that are simply must-haves for anyone looking to get a new laptop. Which one of these is most crucial to you? Do let us know, as we'd love to hear from you. And as for everyone else, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon if you want more content like this on your feed.